Hi, welcome to Celoxis. In this video, we'll quickly cover how to add and manage project templates. First, log into Celoxis using an admin user account. Click on your profile, then select Admin. Under Projects, click Project Templates. Click the plus icon, choose a recent project or browse for others, select a project from the drop-down, and click Save. Your project template is now ready to use. To make changes, click on the template name, go to the Gantt chart and adjust as needed. You can even create a folder structure in your template. For more details on working with project templates, you can refer to our knowledge base. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.